house here. And this is my entrance. You know what I mean? My walkway. Alright. Good morning. So bow. This is where we come in at. You guys can see it's nice colors, nice blue colors. You know what I'm saying? Got the walkway here. Show you guys the pool area real quick. Got this right here. Cool deck. I mean, cool pool area right here. Alright, this is the lounge space right here. Let's check out this. Alright. Before you get in the pool or after you get in the pool, you can lounge right here. You know what I mean? Got the cool cover right here. And we got this cool stairway. Take you right up to the pool. Alright. Nice blue waters. And a pool chair. Kick it right there if you ain't trying to swim. You know what I mean? Jump on your tube. Okay. Alright. Got the iguana right there too. I ain't even peeped that. The iguana just chilling right there. Alright. And as you can see, these are the rooms. So I'm stationed here on the first floor, you know what I mean? Which is cool. This is a bathroom, I believe. Oh, nope. Some type of room. We're not gonna bother that. But got another area over here you can hang out at. A little picnic area. Alright. Do some grilling over there if you want to. Got the grill right here. Alright. And again, that's the iguana right there. Say what's up to the iguana. That's a real iguana, y'all. And you're probably gonna see a lot of iguanas around and different, you know, different stuff. And that's the beanbag game that you guys probably know about. Right here in the Mayan Falls. Alright, good palm trees as you can see. This is Belize, y'all. So, you know, this is the outside of the room. Right outside my room is this, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just giving you guys a quick little room tour. Since I didn't get the chance to show you guys yesterday because if you guys catch that the earlier episodes, you probably see that we were at the Mayan ruins. So I took you guys directly from the airport to the Mayan ruins. That was like the first stop of the trip. And then we headed over here. Well, we headed to Belize City from there. And then we jumped on the ferry, which I didn't get a chance to cover because it was pretty dark by the time I got on the ferry. So we jumped on the ferry and headed over here to Caye Caulker, or Caye Caulker, however you want to pronounce it. But Caye Caulker is the pronunciation of this place here. So, I mean, so this is what it looks like on the come in. You got this area right here. Little welcome note, you know what I mean? Got a pull-out couch. You got a guest with you and maybe need an extra room or bed, you know what I mean, without having to get a bed or, you know, double bed. Nah, that's a good little addition right there. We got the TV, of course, flat screen. I got my stuff hanging up over there. Gave us a fan, and we also have the AC unit, which is a good addition to it. Got a microwave, and we have a little fridge. They gave us some dishes, of course. So we got some dishes. It's a cool addition. You know what I mean? Gave us a little chair in case you want to sit down or something whenever you're doing. It's the bathroom. It's a nice looking spot, man. Can't front. Definitely decent. Gave us some tissue. You know what I'm saying? We got a little window area. Check out. See next door and all that. And here is the shower area. Alright. Cool shower area. Wow. Man, where all the magic happens. This is where all the magic is gonna happen. That's right. Yeah, it's the bedroom. I'm not sure if this may be a queen size bed or a full size bed. Of course, I got all my stuff out. I'm about to get ready to get my day started. And we got like a cabinet here where you can put your towels and stuff like that. So that's where the towels at, hang your stuff up there. Got another extra storage space to put your stuff away, you know what I'm saying? And I like the brown wood doors, you know what I'm saying? Wooden doors is cool. Good. Cool little spot, man. So yeah, that's my quick little room tour. We are here in Belize, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna head over to San Pedro in a bit. That's another island, right? So we're gonna have to jump on a ferry and make our way over to San Pedro, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna take you guys on a quick tour of San Pedro and just check it out. So we probably just spend a day over there and then we'll head back over to Caye Caulker. But for now, this is my room tour. I just want to show you guys, all right? This is Swaganese Travels and this is my room tour, all right? We're just gonna head up the block real quick. We got like a little deli up there. I wonder if the store is open. So go head over to this grocery store real quick. I wasn't able to get no toothpaste. I gotta grab some toothpaste. You know, make sure you get your stuff before you get to like the island and do your stuff. Because I'm not sure if, you know, all of the stuff is accessible, but we're gonna go take a little detour. Show you guys a little bit of the area. It's a cool looking house, man. All right, y'all, good morning, good morning. Alright, so again, you probably can see it at night, but yeah, this is the super forest, man. We surrounded by like trees and stuff like that. These guys are over here building up some spots, and yeah, it's a nice little area, bro. You know what I'm saying? Nice dirt road. Alright, good morning. And if you guys are interested, you could grab one of those carts and drive around the island yourself, you know. So I'll probably grab one of those a little later. Yesterday it was like late. I didn't want to like waste money doing that and grabbing something so late and not be able to get the full uses out of it. But all right. Yeah, this is Caye Caulker in the morning. Early morning. All right. This is a beautiful, beautiful island. This is my first time actually being on the island. Like not Staten Island or Roosevelt Island, but an actual island, you know what I'm saying? And yes, this is Central America, all right? So, yeah, stray dogs out here and stuff like that. So don't be spooked if you see a dog walking on the street. That's just what it is out here. Yeah, but yeah, there's a lot of forestation. So they literally created this island through the forest, you know what I'm saying? Through the jungle, basically. And yeah, and this is what they got. So there's an opportunity to get like some cool little properties over here and stuff like that. Probably grab some land if you guys are interested in doing so. Or probably like a little beach house or something like that if you guys got the money to do so. My driver yesterday, he was showing me where the stores is at. I believe this is one of them, but I'm not exactly sure. But we're gonna double check right now. But yeah, this looks like a regular store. Yeah. All right. So let's see. Oh yeah, they should have the stuff that I'm looking for. Oh, perfect. Yeah, this is it. All right. So yeah, this is a store where you could come get all of your stuff in the morning. For me, I'm just trying to get some toothpaste. All right, there we go. Toothpaste. All right. So $7.95. It might seem expensive, but that's not really the price in American dollars. That's the price in Belizean. So it's 2 to 1, as I probably explained in the other videos. So this is the toothpaste that we're gonna get. Gotta get the Max Fresh, and probably grab some water. Haven't had any water since being here. But this is the Deli. Good morning. Alright. What's up, my guy? Is that water back there? That's water down there? What's that, ice? That's an ice pack? Oh, that's water. Oh, that's how you get it? Alright, that's interesting. So they got waters in bags. Huh? No, I want a bottle. You got bottles of water? Ice? Nah.
That's water.
Oh, this is water. All right. This is different, man. All right. I'm used to getting bottles. Oh, they got bottles. All right. But I could drink. We're gonna do this bottle. I mean, a bag right here. This is different. Why not try to get a bag of water? But then they also have the bottles of water too. So. Yeah. This is the area right here. As you can see, they got the vehicles out here. Everybody, or you got a bike. So you got options. Get you a bike or a vehicle. You know what I'm saying? Alright. You're just gonna get this stuff real quick and I'll holler back at y'all in a minute. Bye. Alright, we out of there. Look at this area. Just so you guys can get a real idea where we are. You know what I'm saying? Yes, yes, yes. We are in Caye Caulker Island. And I got me some water and I got my toothpaste. So we're just gonna go freshen up, shit, shower, shave, you know the vibes. Alright. So it's the room tour and the store run. And we'll get the day started in a minute and show you guys more of the island. We're gonna head over to what they call the split. There was a split in the island because it was like a tornado that ripped through the island. So they split the island into two. So we're gonna go head over towards the north part of the island, and we're gonna see the split, and then we're also probably gonna get some food over there, and you know, take a little dip in the water as well. And then from there we'll probably head over to San Pedro. All right, so that is the plan. So we're heading back into the room. That's how I gotta open my door. You guys can see how I did that. I just had to stick my arm through the gate, which is cool, you know, hood shit. And let me show you this real quick. Right next door to the spot, they have like a little bar right here, right through that door. Lo Siento, I think, or Lo Señorita restaurant and bar over here. All right, so this is the spot right here. Cool little lounge. You know what I'm saying? If you want to check out some ladies, check out the chicks in there. They in there serving. They have some pool tables in there as well. I didn't show that yesterday because it was like super dark and yeah, super loud. They're playing the music, but nevertheless, that's that. But yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna get myself together and I'll tune back in with you guys in a minute.